Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove recent locations from Waze. Whether you're looking to keep your driving history private, clear out clutter from your recent trips, or simply want a fresh start in the app, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know, even if you're new to Waze. First, open your Waze app and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're there, look for the three-line menu icon in the top left corner of your screen. Tap on it, and you should see your profile icon. This confirms that you're logged in and ready to manage your locations. Take a moment to check this and follow along carefully so you don't miss any important details. Next, scroll down to the recent locations section. Here, you'll see a list of all the places you've visited recently. To remove a location, swipe left on the specific entry, and an option labeled Remove Drive will appear. Tap on Remove Drive, and then confirm by selecting Remove when prompted. This will permanently delete that location from your recent history. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your Waze app is updated to the latest version, and double-check that you're logged into the correct account before deleting any locations. Doing this beforehand helps avoid accidental removals and prevents common app errors. Once you've completed these steps, simply restart the app to ensure all changes are saved properly. After that, your recent locations list should be clean, and you can continue using Waze without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to periodically review your recent locations and clear them as needed. This helps keep your app organized and supports better privacy control. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to remove recent locations from Waze easily and efficiently, giving you a cleaner app and more control over your privacy. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video. I hope you found it helpful and easy to follow. If this guide helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might want a more organized and private Waze experience, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more quick and practical tips. Until next time, drive safe and happy navigating.